Hi, I'm Al Preston, co-founder of WhoCanFixMyCar, and we're gearing up for our 5th awards dinner. It's the first actually for 2.5 years, and it's been a pretty extraordinary 2.5 years given everything that's gone on in the world, and we are delighted to get everybody back in one room to celebrate the performance of our best garages over a very difficult time.
I'm Liam, I'm Partnerships Manager here at WhoCanFixMyCar, and I've been here just over 7 years. It's been an incredible transformation in 7 years being here, going from a company with 4 employees to over 55 and now being known as a national brand.
WhoCanFixMyCar is a platform that connects drivers, mechanics and suppliers, and we're really proud that during COVID we still managed to support a lot of our garages and keep drivers on the road during some very challenging times.
I think WhoCanFix are in a unique position where we connect not only drivers to garages that otherwise they wouldn't know about, but also to parts suppliers and manufacturers that otherwise the garages will have no direct contact with, and actually learning about the benefits of using those parts versus others.
We help bring everyone together so that we can make the customer experience the best it can possibly be.
Yes, thank you for calling me back. I'll just give you a quick ring regarding the profile you set up on RACMyCar.com.
I enjoy the people here. Everyone's friendly, everyone's sort of, approachable, everyone wants to help each other. We're like a little family.
Yeah, so over the last year or two, the garages have been asking us, when is the next awards dinner going to be happening? And obviously we have been slightly at the mercy of what's been going on in the world. And this was basically the earliest that we could get this event in the diary. Different time of year, slightly challenging, but we're delighted that we've managed to get as many of you in the room this evening to celebrate this event.
I'm Tim Hall. I own the company called Hall Auto Cosmetic Repair. We are a mobile smart repair company that provides bumper scuffs, scratches, alloy wheels to customers all over the northwest of England. Our business has changed massively since WhoCanFix. It's broadened our customer base. It means that we can now reach people further out, and as a well-known platform, it's great as a working partner because obviously it brings so much work into our business. Our mobile side of the business is expanding, and it's meant that we've got the facility now to put more vans on the road, which is where we want to be in the future.
This year the awards are being sponsored by RAC Approved Garages. That's a partnership that we struck about 2 years ago, and we've been helping the RAC build and develop their garage network over the last 24 months, and we inherited a network of about 450 workshops, and now that's pushing about 900. These garages are at the forefront of the RAC's 2.3 million breakdowns a year, and as well as receiving a lot of that towing work, they're also benefiting from warranty work, SMR work from RAC customers, and a host of other benefits.
We were really keen to sponsor these awards. For me, a no-brainer. We, as a preeminent motoring organisation, know where the lifeblood of our industry is. It's with you all in this room tonight. That's why we wanted to be the sponsor. And also a really good opportunity for us to say a really big thank you to all of the RAC garages that we work with.
Hi, my name is Bilal. Everyone knows me as Billy. I've got a garage called 4 Fab Wheels, and we're based in Wembley. Being a part of WhoCanFixMyCar has been a great journey. We've been part of their network over the last 6 years. It's made our business grow drastically. We've got a great online portfolio platform that we've built, customer relationships, and we've got a lot of return customers through WhoCanFixMyCar. Subsequently, we joined the RAC Approved Garage network over 3 years ago, which has helped our business evolve greatly. We've now got more jobs under recovery work, we've got warranty work, we've built great customer service relationships with these RAC Approved Garage network customers.
The most rewarding part of my role over the past 2 years has been watching the team grow from having very little relationship with the RAC network to now speaking to them on a daily basis, helping them grow their business, showing them the advantages the RAC program can bring them, and all of this under tough conditions where most have been working from their homes, from their kitchens. So that has been fantastic for me.
it's amazing to be nominated for an award. It's not something that we ever expected. I can't put into words what it means to us as a company. To be nominated for Best Body Repairer in the UK is just, it's crazy.
I think it's really important we recognise the great work that the garages do. I think they don't often get the recognition they actually deserve. We've got some great garages on our platform, and WhoCanFixMyCar are in a position where we can actually show them how much we appreciate what they do.
I think it's crucial that we reward our garages, especially the Garage Awards, getting all of our network and the best garages in the UK into one room, and with our partners, with our sponsors, and with our networks. They've given us a lot over the last 2 years, so giving them something back, face to face, I'm really looking forward to it.
It's a great honour to be nominated for WhoCanFixMyCar Garage Awards. I say the guys are putting a real good hard work to get there. There's a lot of competition there online for such awards. I think it's a very proud moment for us and our team to be in such position.
I think it's all too easy in this industry to pick up the bad news stories. Any paper on any day will generally cover them. I think the good news stories deserve to be celebrated equally, and tonight's all about that.
Given how challenging the last few years have been, there's been heightened interest in the awards this year. People have been working long hours, flat out, month in, month out, and we've had a lot of garages on the phone asking, when is the next awards going to be? When can we all get together and have a few drinks and celebrate?